took a flight from Dublin to Paris to Bulgaria. And guys, my bag didn't make it on the Paris flight, so I didn't receive it here in Bulgaria. So it's in Paris, and there's only one flight with Bulgarian Air from Paris to Sofia every day. So it should be here tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, so it wasn't just me, but I only had one bag. Another flight attendant didn't get her second bag. So they wrote a claim for us, and they said if they receive it on the next flight, that they will bring it to the hotel. So, but then if it comes in on the 5th, they'll have it at the airport for me. So I'm hoping it comes in tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to the lounge since I'm Hilton Gold, and I'm gonna kind of chill and relax because I don't have any clothes but what I'm wearing. I kind of want to cry, but I'm trying to stay strong because I'm just like, it happens. Like, it's not a big deal. Good thing I have like 44 hours here, so you know, eventually I'll get it before my flight, before my working flight. But you know, this is one of the cons of being an international flight attendant. You know, there's some airlines that you have to check your bag, and you know, it just, sometimes it'll make it on the flight, sometimes it won't. You know, you just gotta go with the boat. Like, if the layover was shorter than 20 hours, I probably wouldn't have checked the bag to begin with. I probably would have carried the bag with me. But usually I bring the bag on the plane with me. So this one was kind of a fluke because I was like, oh, you know, we're gonna be there long. And we were going through Paris, and it was just easier to check the bag without having to deal with, you know, the liquid policy and everything. So it was just so much easier to do it that way. So I checked the bag because we're going through Paris, and I didn't want to deal with the bullshit in Paris. So, which I'm dealing with it now. I look like a mess. My skin is so dry, guys. I got burnt in Djibouti. Well, yeah, you can see some of the scars, I guess, as I got burnt. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash my face and go to the lounge and kind of just like have a meal real quick. And I'm waiting for the company to approve some clothing allowance so I can get some undies, undergarments, and possibly an outfit if my bag doesn't make it, because I need something to wear for work. But if I'm gonna put it in the universe, hopefully it does. All right, bye. February 24th, and we're going back out. I've been off for 10 days, and so we're gonna end the rest of the trip in Ireland. I'm headed to Seattle to El Paso, overnight in El Paso, and then I work two flights to Baltimore to Ireland, and then I'll be in Ireland starting in March. So let's go. It's in the month beautifully. Okay. All right, I'm gonna stop. All right. Apartment has been cleaned, by the way. Look at it. The apartment has been cleaned, by the way. And yeah. All right, I'm off. Hey everyone, so it is March 3rd. I am headed to Amsterdam, then to Bulgaria, but with all the issues going on right now, we will see. All right, bye.